Hi, and welcome to a metaphysical moment. I just wanted to share some of my insights I've had lately about healing and how people go about healing themselves. I mean, there's a lot of different ways that people can do that. You know, my wife and I teach Reiki. We've taught for 25 years, and energetic healing is a way that you can learn to heal yourself and learn to help to heal others. Recently we had someone email us. It was a former student who has been having a lot of health challenges. In fact, she had a lot of health challenges when she came to take our level 1 and level 2 class, but she's continued to have issues with learning to heal herself. And really, I think one of the key things is learning that when it comes to healing yourself, is learning that everything is energy. If you can learn to view life from an energy standpoint and know that your thoughts are energy, your emotions are energy, then you can begin to understand why you have an illness, why you have a certain pattern going on in your life. But this lady was going on and on about all of her health issues. And so, one of the things we say is that what you focus on expands. So if you continue to focus on your health issues, then you're going to continue to have those health issues. If you can learn to turn the corner, so to speak, and learn to begin to focus on what is good in your life, what's going on good with you health-wise, if you can learn to focus on what is good in your life, then the body begins to heal itself. Because when you're focusing on what's wrong, then that adds stress to your life, and the body cannot heal itself from a level of stress, any level of stress. But when you learn to approach yourself from a more loving standpoint, then healing can begin to occur. It really is not that difficult, but one of the things I realized that life really is a process of awareness, learning to have more awareness of your thoughts and more awareness of your own attitudes. And so you can begin to focus on the good in your life. Not that if your life is going badly, that's going to turn around overnight. But what you're going to do is you can begin to build a momentum for your life to begin to turn around if it's not going the way that you want to go. That's, whether it's finances, whether it's relationships, whether it's health, whatever it is, it's beginning to focus on what is good. And on a basic level, it's really learning to love ourselves. We're taught that it's better to love others than to love ourselves. But we have to learn to love ourselves. We have to learn to nurture ourselves. And so when we begin to do that, then healing really can begin. So that's it for my metaphysical moment. And thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time.